Hmm. Are we live? What's macro screen capture? This is fun. ये screen हटाओ पहले तो remove. Yes. Okay, this one and this one. Right. So let me first just check mm, if the stream is live. If it is live, uh, stream is live. If it is live, it is live, right? It is live. It is live, right? Okay. Mm, I'll let it play in the background and I'll keep closed until then. So here's what is happening today on the stream. I have my keyboard and one of the keys of this keyboard stopped working. I mean, I just woke up, so you know, I haven't even eaten anything. I just have a bottle of water next to me. I'll be surviving for a few minutes on this and then I'll probably go to eat something. But before that, we will start doing this. And here's what we have to do. We have to figure out if we can repair this keyboard right here. So this is the keyboard and what happened is this key, the K key, this K key stopped working. So I just kept pressing on it and there is no sign of K logging on the screen, which is why I had to I had to repair it. And I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. So that's one thing. Maybe we'll just figure it out. And the first thing uh, we need to figure out is okay, let's first have a better camera angle, not show my bed on the stream in front of the world. Is the camera looking great? I'm not sure. Oh, can we not just okay? Hmm. This is a better view, isn't it? I'm not sure if I can make the camera quality better. Can I? Not sure. Let's see. No. So, I don't know, there has to be a way, right? Effect filters, audio, video filters. I'm just trying to see what effect one of these filters is trying to have on my camera, and I'm not really sure. So, I don't know, maybe properties can help me set it, but even that's pretty few. Does this make it better? Now I pretty much understand that the quality is not top notch and we'll have to do it with the quality we have somehow, but is it possible to? No, I'm not sure if we can go beyond this. Color correction is that helpful then? Should we increase saturation? No, no, right? That's not gonna work. U shift? No, I think it's fine having it here. Uh, I think this is what I could get out of it. So I'm gonna bring my screwdriver box now, and this stream is public, right? I'll go get the screwdrivers and return with the hope that we might be able to repair it. Today is a great day, everyone, because we got our screwdriver set very quickly. Without wasting much time, we can start now. And what kind of screwdrivers are this? We'll have to see. Maybe this one would fit in good. I don't know, but let's check it out. So, opening it, one, I'll have to open all these screws. And I need to have something to keep these screws safe, and I'll use this. Mm, here, maybe. Okay, here. This is the third one. Yes. Fourth one. fifth one, sixth, seventh, and eighth, ninth. 11th. I think we are mostly done removing the screws. Can we remove it now? No, we can't, because we probably have a screw here. No, we do not. So we should be able to. There we have a screw here, and it's hidden inside. Why the screw behind this? That's pretty weird. I'll have to take this out probably. This is out. So is the screw. Come on, come on. Let's keep going until we find out what the problem is. Right? And there we go. I think this is all. This is the last screw that I can see. And after this, it should be coming out. So the question is, what would be the first steps after we open this? What would be we checking for? I would say we would check for the dust first, and if the key is responding to mechanical input. Why is it not coming out? Is it mechanical? What's keeping it stuck? We need to remove this somehow. Do we? Looks like something is still holding on it, and I don't know what that is. So, shit. I just broke it. Amir, why am I breaking this shit? I have no idea. See that? I have literally no idea. Today, on the journey of repairing this keyboard, I might end up turning it into a trash thing. So just hold on with me. What the fuck is this? What? Just come out, no. What the Oh, is there a what the fuck? there is a screw behind the sticker. And when there are screws behind stickers, we should be able to recognize them. अब आजा बाहर, अब आजा बाहर. It's time this shit comes out, right? Isn't it? Come out, bro. What else? Is there any other screw? I don't think so. Looks like there is still something stopping it from coming out, and that is what the fuck is going on, bro? How many screws have they put? What's going on? Ah, this is not even a screw, bro. Did I just get deceived or what? This is not even a screw, man. This is not even a screw. What is wrong? What is wrong? And still something. There has to be a screw here, right? It's not possible. I got it. There is a screw here. Damn, bro. How hard can it be to get your screws out? Well, let's start uncovering this. What is this? A metallic plate. What is a metallic plate? Therefore, inside a keyboard. Wait, is it all? You should stop falling around, bro. By the way, I'm just talking to myself, and when I talk to myself, I might look like a fool. Trust me, I'm not that fool. Just, you know, keep yapping while doing your shit. It works out. Keeps you interested, probably. Yeah, life. Okay. So we have this out, and the next thing we have is this. I just do not want to pass any electrostatic charges over this and destroy the whole thing. I am hoping that doesn't happen. And if in case the whole keyboard stops working, we would assume that's what happened. So this is one of the layers. It lies like this. And I think we'll need to remove this. And come out. Yes. So this is the last layer. I don't know what to do with this. Then we have another, and we have another, and that is all we have on our keyboard. Now the key that stopped working was which one? This one, right? And this key, right? This key. Bro, what do I even get to repair in this? There is nothing really here. There is honestly nothing here. Just these electrical paths, I suppose, and layers of these electrical paths, and somehow this is just dead out of nowhere. Can you imagine? I'm just gonna. Why is it dead, bro? What really stopped working? I am not sure what can be done with this. Mhm. This might look like I'm trying to clean it or something, but trust me, I do not know what I'm trying to do, and I might end up just destroying it, destroying even, in fact, the whole keyboard. So just, you know, you know, guys, this is how it is, right? So this is what a keyboard is. It's just this thing. Keys on electrical circuits, everything connected to just this little PCB with I don't know what all is there. Must be a few chips that convert the signals to readable ones by the computer, and what else would be there, right? But the problem is How do I even identify if there is something wrong with this? I should probably ask a Gemini for this. Stop breaking. Stop. Sure. There's something needs to be shared. Again, asking the Gemini. Membrane layers is what Gemini calls this, which works by pressing two conductive layers together to complete a circuit. Since only one key is failing, it's usually a matter of physical blockage or a break in the conductive ink. Here is a step by step guide. Clean the contact points and then check the rubber dome. Alright, so the one of the ways to repair it is to clean it. That's what it I am being suggested right now. Is it broken? I don't think it is broken. I do not think it is broken. Mm, then the only thing, the rubber dome is fine, right? What about the contact points? They should meet. If the dome is being pressed, they should meet. Uh, and if there is a problem in them meeting, then it is recognizable. But probably I just need to. I think I added more scratches to it, and that has made the situation worse. You see that? I mean, I do see that. Mm, there are a lot of scratches on the contact points that I have introduced just a few moments ago. And that's not a good sign, first of all. What am I going to do? Drink water and just try to clean it because I think that's all I can do for now. I need a cloth, a good cloth. See what I can do. Mm, Paper, is paper a good idea? I think a napkin. Uh, looks better. I just do not recognize if I'm removing any dust from it. And that's the I bring it is kind of possible. These contact points. I'm not even sure if this is working because if there is dust blocking any contacts, it must be very, very small particle. Okay, and this too, are we supposed to repair this too? Um, I hope this works. That's all I'm saying. Time to check, I guess. If this works, I'll be returning on the stream with doing lead code problems live. And if it doesn't work, I'm still gonna be returning on the stream doing lead code problems from my MacBook instead of my PC. I hope this works. I mean, what else is there? I hope this is cleaned if that's the problem. And maybe we should close it, or maybe we should test it right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug this keyboard into this MacBook only. Or maybe I'll just go to the. I'm gonna go to PC only to plug this. Um, would this work? Yes. I hope it. I mean, why am I saying yes? I'm not sure, but I hope it does. Um, it is powering on for now, and yeah, the rest of the keys are working. Yes. What about K? was I muted the whole time? But anyways, so what's happened is I have erased the contact point. So the contact point is needed uh, to make a contact between this membrane and this membrane to show to make an electrical connection and pass a signal, uh, recognizing which key has been pressed. But what's just happened is I used this nail paint remover, Lakme one. It's not mine. I do not apply nail paint, so of course it's not mine. But it was at my home. I got it. I used it. I was suggested to use isopropyl alcohol from Google, but I used this and I erased the contact point, so I can't even repair it now. It's gone, and that's some shitty thing to happen because there was a chance before, man. It's like 20% visible now in comparison to all the other points. It's gone. And come on, man. I think I've used probably the wrong kind of alcohol in the nail paint remover. I what what kind of alcohol was it? Ethanol or something? Of course, I'll check that out later, but for now, the keyboard is probably dead in terms of only my K key is probably dead on my keyboard. The rest of it is working. To make that clear. But yes, I'll just put it back. I'll check if there is a way to draw a contact point now. Because, oh yeah, there has to be a way to draw a contact point, right? And that could be done using something like a conductive tape. Isn't that correct? Isn't that correct? That is correct, right? Uh, I do not have a conductive tape, but I have a solder wire. You wanna see this? I have, I just got, how do I show it to you? Yes. This piece, this is solder wire. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put it in there and see if it works. At least the contact. So the K was this, right? This is J and this is L. This is K. These are the contact points. I do not even have to figure it out which one's K after the contact's been erased. Reason being, I can see it now very easily. Did I know anything? I don't even know how to put it. एल एल प्रेस करके क्या एल ही तो हो रखा है. एल. No, I am pretty sure there has to be a contact between this, but it is not logging it. So this simple jugaad kind of is not working. Hmm. I think that's it. Due to the unavailability of due to the wait, let me show my face now. It's been a lot. Yes. Due to the unavailability of resources, specifically materials required to repair this this shit keyboard, we have concluded that we won't be able to repair it anymore. And I don't really like this keyboard, anyways, but it's just, yeah, it works and all. So I should probably burn it away, but that would be done some other day, not on this stream. Burning keyboards, live stream, all hatred, enraged out in one single stream. And this is me finally putting back the screws on. I'll show you the keyboard. What's the use of looking at me anyway? and I'll be coming back live again in a few moments, maybe after an hour, and we'll be doing lead code on the stream because we have to become a lead code knight, right? And lead code knight in how much time? Well, maybe 3 months. Is 3 months a good time to become a lead code knight? I am not sure, right? So I would not know. What else? One screw here. Um, the corners ones are left, right? Four screws are left. What was the last one, right? This was the last one. And we have our keyboard assembled back again. This is all for the stream. Thank you for hanging out. If I don't think anyone watched this stream, but all right. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure having you here. Bye bye.